So let's get started. First of all, take a beautiful pattern of your choice. You can select anyone. Go to trace bitmap, outline trace, logo, process continue and OK. And now delete first one and select this one and ungroup all objects. Give this any background color and select all at once or select one by one. It's all depends on you, it's your choice. And then fill colors. And if you are new at my channel, please subscribe my channel, watch complete video, like, comment and support. I have already uploaded many tutorials on Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop and CorelDraw. You can also check these. I hope you will surely like these videos. Keep supporting and thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate your positive response on my videos. So here is your beautiful pattern. Now you can see, with the help of this method you can make many patterns. I hope you like my video. Thank you.